All right, I'm gonna throw it really high this time. You ready? Where did it go?
Oh my goodness!
He's Marty, he's Marty, he's Marty.
Look at all these yummy ingredients. Ooh, they look like pizza ingredients. I want to make some pizza. Come on, friends.
All right, Aurora, you ready to wash your hands in the pizza kitchens today? All right, let's turn on the hot water a little bit. Now, Marty, it's your turn to wash your hands.
Alrighty, friends. Now it's time for me to wash my hands. Gotta get some soap. Alright, all done. Time to dry it. Alright, friends, I'm all ready to make some pizza.
All right, Aurora, this is where we're gonna make the pizza dough. So, first, we gotta come over here and grab this big bucket. We're gonna put some water in there, all right? We're gonna make sure it's on cold. All right, while that's filling up, you wanna come over here and grab some ice with me?
Oh yeah, let's get some ice. That'll make the water really cold.
All right, we're gonna put 1 scoop of ice in there to make sure it's nice and cold, just like that. Okay, wanna help me dump it in there?
Look at those ice cubes. Do you see them?
Perfect.
They're so tiny, but there's so many.
Okay, we're gonna fill it up to that line right there.
Aurora, fill the water. Is it really cold? Whew. I don't want to touch that water if it's that cold.
Okay, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna dump it all in there.
Zowie, friends, look how big this bowl is. Have you ever seen a bigger bowl?
Perfect, thank you. Okay, we're gonna take this big bag and I'm gonna need your help to dump it.
1, 2, 3.
3. Look at all that. Okay, now that we've got that in there, we've got to get our yeast in there. All right, I'm gonna hand you this. Can you dump that in there for me?
Chase, what does the yeast do?
Yeast makes our dough nice and fluffy.
Ooh, fluffy. That sounds nice.
Good job.
Zowie, look at this dough hook. Oh my goodness, it's bigger than me. I bet it's heavy too.
Okay,
Zowie,
now we're gonna
do you
grab
know what that big dough hook is
this
used for?
big dough hook. Look at that.
Do you want to watch with me to find out?
That is
I know
cool, huh?
I do.
Okay, we're gonna slide it on. And now we gotta come over here. Okay, we're gonna make sure it's on speed 1 right there. And then we're gonna turn our timer on to 9 minutes. Okay, and can you come over and press that big green button for me? Whoa.
Green is for go, and red is for stop. What's that machine doing?
It's making dough.
Oh, so it's mixing the dough. Okay. Sammy, that's so cool. It runs for 9 minutes and then the dough is all mixed and ready to go.
All right, Aurora. After a little while, the dough is done rising and we're ready to flatten it out so we can make our pizza. Hey, Marty, do you want to try flattening the dough?
Ooh, that sounds like so much fun. I want to help.
So now that it's all flat, we're gonna throw it through our machine here to make it even more flat.
Even more
turn it
flat. Do you think that's possible?
It's loud, huh?
Look
Okay,
at
we're
that.
gonna put it in the top up here.
Did you see what he just did? It was possible to make it more flat.
Whoa.
What?
And we're gonna put a little more flour on there. Now, for the fun part, we're gonna try and throw it up in the air, okay? Watch this. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna throw it really high this time. You ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ah! Oh my goodness.
Oh, where did it go?
Well, Chase, I found your pizza dough.
Thanks for catching that, Marty. Whew. You ready to help me with this one? So this is gonna make it to where we don't have any air bubbles in our dough. You can do it? There you go.
Zowie, what is that thing called?
This is our docker.
Oh, it's called a docker. Okay, so it makes it so there's no air bubbles in the pizza.
Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna put it on our pizza screen. And we're gonna give it a little bit of crust.
Crust? What is crust?
Crust is the very end of the pizza. So we're just gonna tuck that under like that.
Ah, Chase says crust is at the very end of the pizza. It makes the pizza look nice and pretty.
Yeah, just so it looks really good.
Okay, Aurora, let's make some pizza.
All right, there's that. Put all of that on there.
Well, what is that stuff?
Sauce.
It's sauce.
Yeah.
Yum.
Good job. All right, and then now let's spread it around. Ah, good job.
Look at all these yummy
Looking really
ingredients.
good. We're gonna get 1 cup of cheese here.
Do you like cheese? I know I love
Can you put that on
cheese.
there for me?
You're doing such a great job helping
Good
us
job.
make our
Okay, we're gonna
pizza.
spread this around, okay? Can you help me? Cheesy and saucy hands. Me too, a little bit. Look. Okay, what toppings are we gonna put on it?
And some pepperoni.
Let's put the pepperoni on first. You're a better topper than I am.
Ooh, I want some of those green vegetables.
Green vegetables? Okay, let's put a few more pepperonis on there. Just so it looks yummy.
Friends, can you find the green vegetables? Oh, those are green peppers.
Okay, can you put some of those on there for me? Ooh, yummy.
I see some black vegetables. Those look like olives. Can you guys find the black olive, friends?
The black one?
Good job, Aurora. Yummy. Okay, Aurora, what else should we put on our pizza?
Other cheese.
Some other cheese over there?
Some more cheese? This is gonna be a cheesy pizza. What color is that cheese?
Orange?
It's orange. Good job. You're so smart, Aurora.
Put some of that on there. Awesome. That's a good looking pizza. Let's spread this around a little bit so it looks good. This is our special ingredient right here. Sprinkle some of that on there.
Special is right. It smells so good. Can you guys smell that? Ah, so yummy.
Let's put it in the oven. Reach as high as you can. Okay, there we go. Yeah, good job making the pizza.
Ah, our pizza's all done cooking. Aurora, Chase, come quick. It's ready.
So we're gonna grab it just like that. We're gonna cut it first on this. We don't want the metal or the wood to get all scratched up, so we're gonna use the metal one. We're gonna cut it once like that,
Zowie, that thing looks sharp.
and then down the middle again.
Man, Chase, you're really good at cutting that pizza.
Okay, can you put the paper on there for me? Perfect. Let's flip it over. Okay, watch your hands. It's gonna be really hot.
Ooh, it looks hot. We better let it cool down before we eat it.
Just like that. All right, look at that.
Ooh, that looks yummy, Aurora. Aurora, let's count the slices of pizza.
Let's count the slices, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, there's 12 slices of pizza. You're so smart and so good at counting.
We have to get Marty a plate, friends.
Okay, let's use my magic. Ready, Aurora?
Zam, zam, shabam.
Ah! I'm so excited. I want some pizza. It looks so yummy. Oh, this is really yummy pizza. Good job, Aurora. Okay, Aurora, you are such a good cook. Thank you, St. George Pizza Pie Cafe, for letting us come and learn how to make pizza. And a big thanks to the manager, Chase, for showing us around. Be sure to look for the red subscribe button and click the bell, and I'll zim, zam, shabam you with new adventures. Click here to have more Martian-tastic fun while we learn and discover all about Earth. We'll see you guys next time. Zim, zam, shabam!